Hi guys, good to see you again. Today we are going to be talking about the Boxycharm base box for April, as well as the Boxycharm premium box that I got with me right here to my right. Okay, so we'll start off with the base box. I received the base box this morning. It came a little bit later than my premium box this month because I guess maybe FedEx had some issues with transportation. I don't know what was going on, but it's here. So this is what she looks like. I will insert a picture in the video for you. So I got two cards, and one of the cards seems to be, it's a code for a discount for Misguided. So that's it there. And then the other is another code for a makeup eraser. So maybe I'll use that at some other later date. It comes with Lavish, a Lavish brush set. I've never actually heard about this brand, but I know some people weren't too keen on receiving this brush set, but I was looking forward to it because I'm in need of a few new brushes. And it has quite a rainbow set of colors with colored tips, which I think is pretty cute. So that's that. Inside the box, you can also find iconic London Illuminator drops. And this is the original formula. This is my first time opening it. I know that this was a big deal maybe 2 or 3 years ago. Everyone wanted to get their hands on it, and according to a few videos that I've watched, you can use it in about 7 or more ways. So I'm definitely going to use this. Next we have the Elemis Superfood Cica Calm Cleansing Foam. That's what it looks like. Obviously, I haven't used it. I just got it this morning, so I'll use it later and maybe give an update 2 or 3 weeks later to let you know how it goes. Yeah. Next we have the Pore-fessional Pore Primer. Smoothing face primer to minimize the look of pores. And I really think that I need that because I do have, you can see, some pretty large pores in my T-zone. Right now, the only primer that I do have is the Smashbox primer. I'm not sure of the name, but it's like a gel formula. So I'm going to try this and see how it works out. Maybe I'll post a look and just include this when I do another look. Next is the Illuminati Gel Paint. As you can see, it's still closed. So how do I open it? Need a scissors. Be right back. Okay, so I got it open, and that's what the packaging looks like on the outside. And these are the two colors that they give you. It's like a blue, electric pink, and electric blue. Now I do have some lotion on my hands, so that might be why it's not coming up as strongly. It glides pretty smoothly from what I can see. Maybe try it on my wrist. Oh yeah. My wrist is a lot lighter than the back of my hand, so that might be why. Okay, that's cute. I think I can figure out how to use it a little later. Maybe draw a sharp wing or use it as a base for another color. Let's see. And that is it for the base box. Now we're going to move on to the premium box, which is what I was really looking forward to. And I'm so excited that I got the things that I did. Initially, I really wanted the Natasha Denona blush set. It's like a blush duo. I didn't get that, but I think the things that I did get were pretty nice. Okay. So this is what the premium box looks like. It has 2 cards, just like the box from before. Put that right there. And this is everything that I got. Now there was an issue. One of my items are missing, but Boxycharm has already messaged me back, and they said that they will be sending my missing item in the mail. So it's a lip gloss from Too Faced. I don't recall the name of it, but it's a lip gloss. And I'll just share that in another video in the future. So this is the Good Acid Sport Toner. Oh, I took the toner out because it's kind of heavy. It's in a glass vial. And it looks so nice. It's so beautiful. So that is what it looks like. And as you can see, I've used it quite a bit. I've been using it for maybe 2 days, 3 days. And I just put it directly on my skin. I don't have any cotton balls on hand, so I just kind of dump it on my skin and then rub it in. And it doesn't burn or anything. It feels quite moisturizing actually. When you put it on, it doesn't feel dry. It doesn't leave my skin with like a gray tint or anything. And it doesn't have too much of a smell, but I like it so far. Let's put that over here. Next, we have the Smashbox palette. So this is the LA Cover Shot palette. I really wanted to use the M.A.C Life is a Drag palette, but I'm actually happy that I got this one. Maybe I'll purchase the M.A.C palette at a later date. But here's what the palette actually looks like. I took it out of the box as well. And I have used it for a look. I will post a picture of the look somewhere in the video so you can see it. So that is what the palette looks like. It's stunning. These colors are mattes, and these are like shimmers. And this one is a really, really nice shimmer. But I think my favorite colors are this one and this color. And I think it is called Copper Canyon Copper, and there's Valet. So those are my two favorite so far. Push it over there. And next we have the Levito Inspired by Nature Age Away Replenishing Cream. So that's what the box looks like, and I'm keeping the box, guys, because it's just, the detailing on the box is insane. And this is what it looks like. This is what I have on my face now, actually, the moisturizer that I'm using. And that's all I have on my face for the day, because I'm in no mood for makeup. It doesn't have much of a smell. It's like a light smell, but it's good. As you can see from the light reflecting off of my face, it's very moisturizing. It's creamy. I have no complaints whatsoever. And that's what it looks like on the back of my hand. Yeah, I like this, guys. I like this a lot. What else do we have? We have the M.Greengrass Beach Air is the fragrance. It's inspired by Greece. I haven't used this yet. I did spray it just on my arm, and it leaves a really nice sheen. So I sprayed it. And they say that you can use it on your face, on your hair, on your skin, so it's multi-purpose. And it does have a really summery scent, which I quite like. And I will be putting this in my hair whenever we can go out. I don't know when that will be because of the quarantine, but it's whatever. Maybe I'll just wear it around the house because it does have a really fresh scent. Let's look at the notes. The notes are bergamot, citrus, white jasmine, Brazilian softwoods, heliotrope, or is it heliotrope? Which one is it? And musk. Yeah, it's quite nice. Finally, we have the IGK Good Behavior Spirulina Protein Smoothing Spray. It's for your hair. Now, I was not too keen on receiving this product because, as you can tell, my hair is looking kind of crazy, but it's whatever. I have black hair, black textured hair, so I don't know, like, in terms of anti-frizz, like, how is that gonna work? I don't get it, but whatever. I might use it on my weave, or maybe it might actually add a little bit of sheen to my hair. Maybe it might do something when I try to straighten it, but It smells really good. So it might be another product that I spray in my hair. It reminds me of vanilla. Do they put the notes in? They don't seem to put the scent in to list what it is, but I'm getting really creamy vanilla vibes from this spray. Did you really think I'm gonna let you leave this video without seeing a look? Like a real look?